Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to launch a Lamborghini Huracan. First, make sure your engine is fully warmed up to its optimal operating temperature. This is crucial for performance and engine health. Next, engage the Corsa driving mode, which prepares the car for maximum acceleration. Finally, briefly press the ESP button to deactivate traction control, allowing for a full power launch. This setup ensures your Huracan is ready to unleash its incredible power. With the car in Corsa mode and traction control off, it's time to activate launch control. Use your left foot to firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. Keep both pedals held down. You will see launch control displayed on your instrument cluster, indicating the system is armed and ready for action. The engine will rev to an optimal launch RPM.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And on another note, if you love reading, especially about cars or anything else, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even while waiting for your Huracan to warm up. You can find the link and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once launch control is displayed and the engine is holding its revs, release the brake pedal swiftly and completely. Do not lift off the accelerator. Keep it fully depressed. The Huracan will rocket forward with astonishing force, managing wheelspin for optimal acceleration. Hold on tight and enjoy the exhilarating sensation as your Lamborghini Huracan launches with incredible speed and precision. After experiencing the thrilling launch, remember to drive responsibly. Always be mindful of your surroundings and other vehicles. Once you've reached your desired speed, gradually ease off the accelerator pedal. For normal driving, it's wise to re-engage traction control by pressing the ESP button again. This ensures stability and safety, especially in varying road conditions. Enjoy the power, but always prioritize safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.